Well, Zango and Real Salt Lake players are teaming up for a humanitarian event to improve the lives of those living in Thailand.
Yeah, Operation Smile founders Bill and Kathy McGee are here to discuss the event and how people can help. But first, tell us a little bit about Operation Smile. You started it, what, 27 years ago?
27 years ago in the Philippines, one site, and now this year we'll do 140 mission sites, and about 17 or 18,000 children will have surgery around the world.
And what types of surgery? What is this?
We operate on children mostly with cleft lips and cleft palates, which is big holes in their lips and the roof of their mouth. They can't socialize, they can't speak an intelligible word. So as little as a 45-minute operation, as little as $240 can change a child's life forever.
$240 per child?
Right.
Okay, so when you're looking at the broad spectrum, I mean, that is quite a bit of money that you've got to raise and help, and doctors putting in their time. So how are you looking to put this all together this year to do even more?
Well, with Zango coming in and their first trips down to Mexico, they've been with us the 18 months down to Mexico doing about 300 children. It's their masses that help us. Their distributors get involved. They are part of that country, part of that culture, and they help us change the lives of children and help us raise money.
So, and they actually do it hands-on, too. The distributors come in, help on the mission sites, help with the translation. Now it's an opportunity to thank them. They'll all be here for the big meeting, and we're here to show them the benefits of their good work. Changes occur, I believe, in life because of the masses. You take a great product like Zango, you take people who are good salespeople, if you would, they give the message to the people that they sell the product to. People that sell the product in one way or another are helping children. And so everybody wins in that process, and it couldn't happen without them. It's not just about doctors and nurses. If you don't have great corporate partners, we would never be where we are.
And it sounds like there's a big need. Are you meeting that need? How do you choose which location you're going to go to?
It's usually the country that makes the ask. Maybe those medical people have been on a mission or have heard about us, and they make the ask, and we do a very intensive fact find to see, you know, we're partners. We're partners with the Zango, we're partners with their medical people, and we all work together to make changes for children's lives.
And this will help kick off the trips into Thailand where the berry is actually produced. And so it's a payback, if you would, you know. They share their natural resources and their berries, and Zango helps share its resources to help the children of Thailand. And we hope to continue to expand this everywhere. It's a wonderful partnership.
Now, really briefly, we're out of time here, but if you could just tell us how this changes their lives and some of the stories, if you could just put it all into one thing and capitulate it there briefly, how does this change their lives?
Well, I would just say this is a child who can't eat, can't speak. They get tremendous hearing deformities from the palate being open, and they have a facial deformity. They go nowhere. They're essentially dead in their own bodies. Will never have a life. And a story.
Yeah, if you would just take a child like this that's 13.
You can just hold it up right there.
And you know, in as little as 45 minutes, you go from here to here. She's now a computer programmer. Before, until she was 13, she had almost never been out of her hut. And so, you know, it's immediate, and it's almost unconscionable not to take care of these kids, and yet there's tens of thousands of children we've never reached yet. So that's our goal.
Okay. And the thing is with a little bit of surgery, it's treatable, right?
That's right.
It is treatable.
Necessary. All right. Thank you both for coming in. Good luck.
Yeah, really.
Thank you.